So we can work with any number with the range functions. We can extract any number from the range functions, and we work with simple statistics in the range with the numbers in the range. Suppose I take a value, say I'll just take any variable, say I take a variable called g. Okay, I take a variable called g equal to, and I prepare a list of numbers from the range functions, right? I require that. So what I will do, list, put list, within the parenthesis I put range, and suppose I require the numbers to be displayed from 1 to 30, right? And I print the variable g, print the variable g, and I will do the execution for shift plus enter. So you find that the numbers are listed from 1 to 29. And suppose I require simple statistics to be performed on the variable, I can do that. So in this case, suppose I require the minimum number to be listed out. So what is the minimum number in the list? So suppose it's use the function called min function, and I put the variable called g. So in this case we execute it. So in this case it shows that there is a minimum number called only 1. So 1 is the minimum number out of the list. Suppose I require the max. What is the maximum from the list? You find that maximum will be 29, right? So shift enter, you find the maximum number is 29. Suppose I require the list, the elements to be added. So in this case you can use a sum function, sum, and g is the variable in which the elements have been saved, right? Shift enter, you find that it will add all the elements in the list. So this will work out when you have very high calculations. Instead of working with the calculator, you can work with the simple statistic functions with the help of the list, with the numerical list.